Hey guys, welcome back to Carib 21 Network. So in today's video, I'm going to attempt to do something that has never been done before. So I'm going to attempt to do two different countries, two different culture, two celebration, two different city in the same day. So today is September 7th, 2025, and in Canada, in two different cities, Trinidad and Tobago and Jamaica, they're celebrating their independence. They're celebrating their culture. Trinidad and Tobago in the city of Toronto, they're celebrating the vibrant culture and the contribution of Trinidad and Tobago to the world. And in a different city, Brampton, Ontario, Jamaica will be celebrating their vibrant culture to, taking their culture to the world. So in this video, I'm going to attempt to do both celebrations in the same day. So follow me to Ontario, Canada, where I celebrate Jamaica and Trinidad and Tobago one day. Let's go do it. So my first stop was at the Tobago Beyond booth, and this is pretty much promoting the island of Tobago as a tourism destination. You know that Trinidad and Tobago, yes, it's known for carnival, it's known for the food, but a lot of people don't really know Trinidad and Tobago as a tourism destination. So this is what Beyond Tobago is doing. So this is actually my second year covering the Trinbago celebration, and Toronto is known for summer festival. Toronto is one of the most multicultural cities in the entire world, with people from over 150 different countries living in Canada. And in the summer, like every single country you can think of that is represented in Canada, they celebrate. Streets are closed down in the summer and they celebrate. And last year, the Trinbago Festival was absolutely my favorite festival. Okay, so I'm here at Sweet for So, and this is a Trinidadian ice cream brand, and I'm talking to the owners. And can you introduce yourself?
I'm Sharon Tomasis, and this is my husband,
Frank.
And how did you guys come up with the concept for Caribbean ice cream in Toronto?
So this is actually a company that started back in 2020 during COVID. We started the company for my dad, Ian Tomasis. He's 87 years old at the time, and we wanted to keep him doing something, give him a purpose. That's why our slogan is homemade ice cream for a purpose and for a cause. So this was his purpose. It kept him going, and we launched the ice cream, and it kind of took off. The cause is that we give back to a local charity every month from the proceeds of the ice cream.
Okay, that's nice. And who's the expert behind the old idea, the recipes, the
It's
ingredients?
all my dad. So he used to make ice cream back in Trinidad.
Okay.
And when he came here, he switched to other things, but we definitely still had our homemade ice cream because I'm allergic to all nuts and peanuts. So he used to make ice cream for me specifically.
Yeah.
And we just kind of continued it, thought maybe we try to sell it, and it worked.
Okay, and where can people find the product?
So you can find us on Instagram at Sweet for So Ice Cream, and we take orders off of Instagram and we deliver.
Okay, and you were telling me about some of your flavors like sour sub, grape nut, rum and raisin.
Yeah, so we are mainly Caribbean-inspired flavors. So the grape nut, sour sub, rum and raisin, coconut, mango, guava, but we dive into everything. So we usually actually take recommendations, and that's where we come up with more flavors. Right now we have over 25 flavors that we do.
Okay, nice. And you said you're Trinidadian background?
I'm Trinidadian born.
Okay, so how does it feel like Trinidad Day, like Toronto, one of the most multicultural city in the world, but still one of the biggest city in the world, and we're celebrating all things Trinidad and Tobago today, and the thousands of people showing up for the weekend to celebrate. How does that make you feel as someone from?
Proud. Definitely a proud Trini, and amazing to see how many Trinis we have coming out. Not only that, how many other cultures we have experiencing our Trinidadian culture. So definitely proud. And
okay, and a final question, which is a fun question. There's always a saying that Trini and Jamaicans don't get along, but you said your husband is Jamaican.
yes.
So I guess we can put that myth to rest. Like, because you're married to a Jamaican, and I'm sure he's the best Jamaican you have ever met in your life, right?
He's the trinniest Jamaican I've ever met in my life. So he is the one that comes to Carnival. He is the one that drives around in Trini. He's the trinniest Jamaican. But yes, we can put it to rest. It's not true. We love them too.
Okay. Yeah, so, you know, one of the things we try to promote on the channel is, you know, we're all one Caribbean, and, you know, my wife is from St. Vincent and the Grenadines. I'm Jamaican.
Okay.
And I tell people, like, most Caribbean nationals that are in Toronto, New York, wherever, someone is married to someone from Jamaica, Barbados, St. Vincent, you know, so we're all one happy Caribbean. So, you know, it's good. So I leave your information on the channel, and I'm sure people reach out to you and ask about, and it's for a good cause, because you said you donate to charity.
So it is for a good cause. So it's definitely for a good cause, and it's still giving my dad purpose even at 92 years old.
Awesome.
We're carrying on the tradition.
Awesome. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much.
Good luck on the rest of the day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay guys, so as I said, the festival, Trinidad Festival, is very inclusive. So now I'm trying jerk chicken sandwich. Looks good. You know, I just went to this spot and they had like bacon shark, and someone said that that was the best bacon shark they have ever had in their entire life. So I decided to try out the jerk chicken sandwich to see if this is gonna be the best jerk chicken sandwich I've ever had. So some jerk chicken with some coleslaw. Bread feels nice. Check it out. Okay, so now I'm going to try some aloo pie. This is actually my first time trying aloo pie. Can you believe that? Like, I've had doubles and everything before, but this is my first time trying, you know, aloo pie with chana. This is what it looks like. You know, I have to find myself a quiet corner because I don't want the music to get in this thing, but that is what it looks like. Spicy. Yeah, so we're celebrating Trinidad and Tobago today. All things Trini. Nathan Phillips Square, downtown Toronto, and again, not disappointed. Last year was amazing. This year is even better. Talking to a lot of people from Trinidad and Tobago, talking to people overall that come from all over the Caribbean, just celebrating Trinidad and Tobago today. So it was another good event, and Trinidad and Tobago to the world. Here I got a jelly, coconut jelly, so I'm drinking my coconut jelly with a straw. Don't judge me, you know, when in Canada there was Canadian, so jelly.
Ladies and gentlemen of Trinbago Festival, up next we have a musician whose hands speak a universal language, Rhythm.
Yes, so guys, we're live here at Trinbago Festival, Toronto, Nathan Phillips Square, and I'm going around talking to people, trying all the food and music, culture, everything represented of the beautiful Twin Island of Trinidad and Tobago. So stick and stay as, you know, we talk to more people and check out some more of the food. So I'm here with Tisha, and luckily, because Tisha, I saw her last year when I was here, and you were actually on the thumbnail of the last video that I did last year.
Amazing.
And now we're here in 2025 and you're celebrating. And you said you're a Jamaican, Bayesian background?
Yes.
And, you know, one Caribbean, we're celebrating
One
everything
Caribbean,
Trinidad
yes.
and Tobago. How does it make you feel that, you know, Caribbean culture is such a big deal in a big city like Toronto, being one of the biggest city, most multicultural city in the world, and you're here celebrating Trinidad today?
It makes me proud because it just shows me how much work that we're doing, and we're doing the right thing. I know so much more can be done, but it shows you how many people really embrace the culture here, whether you are Trinidadian, whether you're oh my goodness, whether you're Tobagonian, but all the islands are here and all the islands are represented, and it's just so beautiful to see that people come together, you know, make money, we can volunteer, we can show our resources, and we can participate and enjoy music and culture. It's just really beautiful to see that we can have something like this in our city, no violence, you know, it's just love.
And you seem to be a carnival queen because you're always decked out in your costume, and I guess every year the costume gets better and better. You know,
it should.
So what made you so interested in the culture, like carnival, like, you know, because it's one thing to just be on the sideline, but to jump in costume, you know, volunteer and to do, what made you so interested in the culture?
It actually started, oh my goodness, 16, 17 years ago. I was a stormer, honestly. I didn't know anything about the culture to the extent that I do now. My parents were not heavily invested in Toronto Carnival or Caribana, which is what it was at the time. And so I had to learn on my own. And I actually started with the band Toronto Revelers. And I was in the mass camp, you know, every night. And I was building mass and I was learning through that process. And who knew that would have taken me, that was 2010. That would have taken me to where I am now, just truly learning about the culture, different islands and what they have to offer. And it's been an amazing experience.
Okay, nice. So you started when you were 5, like 15 years ago. So, you know,
Thank you.
For someone that's watching this and they've never tried anything from Trinidad and Tobago, food or whatever, what is your favorite meal? What have you had here today that, you know, you'd recommend someone try for the first time?
I would absolutely recommend the chow. So this Toronto Chow Fest is here, and I've followed them for years now. I think since they were at Carib, an all-inclusive event, and I love them. The quality has gotten better and better over the years, and I would say try a bacon saltfish.
Okay. All right. So thank you very much, and we will see you in 2026. I'm sure.
Absolutely will.
All right. Take care. Have a good one. Thank you. So I'm here with Cherie, and Cherie, you said your parents, your mom is from Trinidad and Tobago?
Yes.
So how does it feel to be in downtown Toronto, one of the most multicultural cities in the entire world, and you're celebrating the culture of a small twin island, Trinidad and Tobago, that has had such a big impact on the world?
So this for me is everything. I actually moved back from Alberta, and one of the reasons I moved back is for culture, for my kids, for them to be able to be immersed in some of the culture that I grew up in. And so to bring them here, to see the music, to see the people, to see the pride, and also to highlight a lot of the contributions that Trinidad has made, not just around the world, but right here in Toronto. It just means that this festival is just a really amazing thing for us.
And it's so good because you said you were actually born in Canada,
Yes.
but you identify with Trinidad and Tobago so much because of your mom, right?
Yes.
And now you're passing it down to your kids. So like 10, 15 years from now, they would identify with the culture, the music, the food. And how does it make you feel to pass down that culture to your kids?
For me, that's really important. I think one of the things that why some kids struggle is that they don't know where they come from. So for me, I want them to know where you come from, to have pride in, you know, your background and your heritage, and for them to know that they're not just black, you're Trini, you know what I mean? And that means something to them, and for them to understand what that means. The food, the music, you know, the language, you know, the things that we do, I mean, that's important for them because that's a piece of who they are, and I want them to be able to go through the world being confident in who they are.
What makes you such a proud Trinidadian? What makes you so proud about Trinidad and Tobago?
I think my mom comes from a big family from Trinidad. They come from Mayaro, which is wild country, but they were always so proud of where they were from. And I always remember just the way that every Sunday she would make bake, and I grew up, you know, rolling out the roti and putting on the tawa, and like those are the things that, you know, help me to really be proud of where I came from, and so I really want to be able to pass it on to my kids as well.
And Trinidad is said to be like the fun island within the Caribbean. Like everything about Trinidad is just fun. And I was telling someone earlier that I came last year, and it was actually my favorite event. And you know that Toronto had like thousands of events throughout the summer, but to come here and to see how inclusive, to see that, you know, Bajans, Jamaicans, and now today I'm here, I'm seeing even Filipino food on display here. What is it about Trinidadians why it's such an inclusive culture?
I think one thing that people may not know is Trinidad is very diverse, and so I think that they're also very inclusive. So, you know, Trinidadians, because they want to have fun, anybody can have fun, anybody can enjoy the music, anybody can enjoy the food, because the reality is a lot of our food, a lot of the culture was taken from bits and pieces of others from around the world, and so why not? Why can't we all have fun? Why can't we all coexist? So I think that you can see that here. It's just that it's not just Trinidadian pride, it's just that it lets people know that everybody can have fun, everybody, you know, can have pride from where they come from, and we'll welcome anybody. So to me, that's also a really good message to pass on to the next generation. Yeah.
Okay, final question. What is your favorite meal, Trinidadian meal?
Hands down, roti.
Roti.
Roti. A potato and chana roti, that with a nice little cool drink. That's my favorite. That's my favorite.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much, and it was nice talking to you. Nice seeing you passing on the culture to your kids.
Yes.
So thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, guys. So now it's 6 hours later since I left home to attempt to go to Trinidad Day celebration and the Jamaica Day celebration, and now I am in Brampton, Ontario, to go experience the Jamaica Day celebration in Brampton. Trinidad was a jam-packed event in Toronto. It was very good, well supported, entertainment, food, all Trinidadian culture on display. So it is a bit late in the evening now. I don't know what's left of the Jamaica Day celebration, but I'm going to go check it out. So let's see what's going up. Jamaica Day, Brampton, Ontario. Okay, guys, so yes, I'm right here. So it's to get into the Jamaica Day, it's a $50 entry fee. You know, I just paid for my ticket and I'm about to go in. This one is a bit different from the Trinidad Day celebration. Jamaica Day celebration, this one is in Brampton. And because this one is like almost like a stage show, Mr. Vegas, Praga Benz, and some more artists. So there's a $50 entry fee to get in. So that is it. So now I'm in the inside, and this is more like our stage show setting, as I said. It's a bit different from the Trinidad Day celebration. This is inside the Brampton Sports Complex, and this is more of a stage show setting. So a lot of food to choose from. Entertainment, as I said, Spraga Benz. Spraga Benz is supposed to be here. Mr. Vegas. So that is it.
Take out the ticket. We have 2 more baskets giving away. So tell somebody when to win the flag. We're beginning on the tourism of Jamaica. This basket is here on behalf of the tourism of Jamaica. Boy, I'm glad to be a Jamaican. I'm not even paying COVID, so we can't even win now. That's unfair, don't it? I'm there for a day at all. Sure. Shake the box again, Kelly. Shake the box. Shake the box. Shake the box. Let me see what you like. Shake the box. What number is that, Kelly? 344. 344. 344. Who wants that number? Going once? 3. You have it, mommy? Check it properly. Check it properly. 344. The last 3 digits. Alright, she sit on box, so that means another fee. Going once, level 1 here. Going once, going twice, 3. Alright, put that one there aside, Kelly. What the next one?
423.
423. 423. Going once, going twice. That's the one there again, Kelly. Give me one next one.
414.
414. I'll be a rich people here for it. So when I do the ticket, I want to do dash them what? Eh? Where's it? Oh, just like the road running. ever since. It's been a long, long time coming, but I know a change gon' come. Oh, yes it is. Good evening, everybody. People, are you ready? Oh, you mean ready? Ready? All right. Mr. Music, will you please? Love and hate can never be friends. Oh no, oh no. Here I come with love and not hatred. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of my life. And be no one and wish to be with no evil man. For day comes the day when you will be with my the Father's day. Live for roots, children. My God. Live for us, the children. Oh Lord, my head is appointed and my cup running over. Oh, surely goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of my life. And we no one and wish to be with no evil man. For day comes the day when you will be with my the Father's day. Live for whose children. Oh God, live for us the children. My God. Whoa, 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 whoa. People, are you ready? Oh, you mean? Mr. Music. I love to see everybody. What are they? Yeah, man, I love to everybody sing. Big up the 35 years at Jamaica Day Festival. And I've been here for a while. Big up all of my fans them. Love for them. See? We come to have some good fun, alright? We're gonna have some fun now. Mr. Music! Ooh, oh, wait. Do you remember this? You bam 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 bye. You bam 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 bye. Bad-minded people, they better change their ways. Why, oh boy, wicked-minded people must reach your judgment days. Ooh, 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 don't get the ghetto when we're born and grow. There's a lot of people they rhyme and know. When they try to make some improvement in life, they want to knock you off on your stride. See you on the road and say respect you. Beyond your back to just a super you. Many are called and chosen a few. What you gonna do when they're calling you? Bad-minded people, they better change your ways. Wicked-minded people must be just low with it again. Do you remember this? I give you the sun, the moon, the rain, the stars and the mountains. I'll give you the world. And all that you is for, and even more. Girl, I love you more than you should know. And that's for sure. I stand by yourself, swim the water sea. Nothing can discourage me. And I pray that you will be all I ever need forevermore. Whoa, ready or not. Ooh, yeah. I'll give you everything and more. Well, all that we got is yours. I'll give you everything and more. Whoa, na 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 na. Whoa, na 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 na. Whoa, na 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 na. Oh yeah, Ariana. Oh yeah, next go. Ooh. sing with that one now, see? I'm gonna say for the no song. I want to love like can be. That's a kind of love I think it's sweet. Don't want to be going by something I heard. Cause baby action speak louder than words. Ooh, I want to love that it's mine. In the rain and always, sometimes come shine. I love to keep me warm when it's cold. That kind of loving that will never go cold. Ooh, ooh. Let me hear now. Don't you know I want to know? I want to hear now. Whoa. Don't you know I want to love? Whoa. I want to love that it's mine. In the rain and always, sunshine come shine. I love to keep you warm when it's cold. That kind of loving that will never grow. Ooh. Oh, don't you know I want to love? Don't you know I want to love? Whoa. Don't you know I want to love? Hey, don't you know I want to love? Yeah! How you feeling? How you doing, man? We love. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. It's another morning without you. It's another day when I get through it. We love. Sharon, we are dealing. Sharon, you're something. It's another morning without you. It's another day when I get through it without breaking down. Never seen the sun since you've been gone. Like my autumn lost when you left me and can't be found. How can I go on? Baby, I've been living on memories of you and me. All the love we made, all those tender nights and those endless days, never here inside. Baby, can't you stop the rain from falling? Won't you chase my cloud away? I'll give anything to see the sun again. Only you can stop these tears from falling. I can face another day. Baby, can't you stop? Can't you stop? Oh, the rain. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Hold on there, Mr. Monitor. Bring up the monitor them some more now. Yeah, man. Bring them up, let me hear them. How you feeling? I'm glad. Because right now, I'm coming off and make me feel good. See? Time cool, so I have to get on warm up. Ain't it? Yes, man. Let's have the thing. Ooh, what on that? Oh, wait. What this? This is one of my new songs. You can check out the video on YouTube. It's called, I know you know the song, some guys have all it up. But them say it's a new rhythm called two-time rhythm. I carry the swing, so I have a song on it, okay? And I hope you enjoy this song. Hey, ooh, hey, oh, yeah. Listen. Alone in a crowd, on a bus up to work, I'm daydreaming. Oh, well. People, are you ready? What do you mean? Alone in a crowd, on a bus up to work, I'm daydreaming. Oh well, yeah. God next to me, and this girl on his own, my arms are empty. Ooh, yeah. It seems unfair that love everywhere, but there is none for me. How does it feel when the girl that you love say she loves you? Sometimes there's all the love, sometimes there's all the pain, sometimes there's a little sunshine in the light. My life is only feeling red. Someone to take on a walk by the lake, they'll all consider me. Oh well. Someone will lie, someone will laugh to cry. A sad movie. Whoa, I do believe I would die just to look in your eyes and say I love you. Oh well. It seems unfair that there's love everywhere and there is none for me. Let me understand. Whoa, sometimes there's all the love, sometimes there's all the pain, sometimes there's a little sunshine in the light. My life is only feeling red. Oh, I love you, baby. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh, wee. Oh, yeah. Yeah! What you mean? I love it, man. People, are you ready? What you mean? Oh, of course, man. I love it. Take it, you. Ooh, what about this? Yes, yes. Hold it. Ease up, ease up. Well, this is a song. This song is a very special song for me. And I know this song is a very special song for a lot of people. All who love Dennis Brown, let me soon on. Yeah, man. I'm a Dennis Brown fan. Ooh, and if you love that when I make those noise. Whoa. Though I wake up in the morning with my head down in my eyes, and she said, oh, and I stumble through the breakfast table where my kid was going off to school. Goodbye. Oh, sure. She reaches out and touches my hand, squeezing and saying, how you feeling now? And I look across and smile and look. The summertime. Okay. Ain't no thing like Mother Sue's. It's my land and Mother Goose and the nursery rhyme. Charlie to make a little green apple. It's alright in Minneapolis in the summertime. Okay. When I'm feeling down and out, think about the way she moves that makes me feel so fine. Look at it. Oh, sometimes I call her up at home, knowing she won't be safe. Oh, ask her to get away, bring me a bag of vibes to me. You should know. She stopped what she doing and hurry down to meet me, for she won't mend that way. Whoa. She said, waited patiently, smile when she first sees me, for she won't mend that way. Whoa. If that's not loving me, that's all I've got to say. Charlie to make a little green apple, it don't rain in Minneapolis on the summertime. Oh yes, ain't no thing like Mother Sue's. It's my land and Mother Goose and no nursery rhyme. Oh, a little green apple, it don't rain in Minneapolis on the summertime. Ain't no thing like Mother Sue's. It's my land and Mother Goose and no nursery rhyme. Do you love it? Oh, you mean love in Toronto? Long time I come to my place, you know. This is, you remember, I used to live here, you know. Very nice place, but too cold. Yeah. So me I show you, that's not the only thing, but everything sweet. Yeah, man. Big up my family. Richie Malvo, Tiffany Malvo, seeing Ariana Malvo, Leon Malvo, Alicia Malvo. So me I say, I was Sharon Malvo there. Alright, let it off there. Them have left you. This is one of my new songs. Oh, wait. I don't know if you love it. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. We don't come again. Well, this one is a new song for me again. A new song. And it's called Bye Bye Loneliness. See? And get used to it. It's a big song, right? Pick up on yourself. Yeah, man. Touch it, move.
Undercover lover, me a undercover lover.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Bye, 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 loneliness. My baby's waiting for me. I don't care what you say or what you do. My baby still loves me. Bye, bye, loneliness. My baby's waiting for me. I don't care what you say or what you do. My baby still loves me. I was in the shadow searching for my love. Then came my baby, blessing for my love. No more loneliness and no more tears. Might have some adults, but now I'm feeling. Red Square from Atala.
Hey guys, so yes, we're here at the Jamaica Day, and it's Jamaica night right now, and I'm having some soup. It's getting cold, you know, Canada, so it's a bit cool outside.
Ready again.
So
If we're ready to short time, it's a short time.
some chicken, some real Jamaican chicken soup.
If we're ready to short time, it's a short time. If we're ready to see Spraga, it's a Spraga.
And
It's a Spraga.
Spraga Benz is about to go on
For
stage.
your real born Jamaicans, it's a Jamaica 50, 35, sorry, my apology, 35 years.
Spraga Benz is about to go on stage, so I'm going to go capture Spraga Benz right now.
Cause some boy live from Jamaica and come and Canada come and play. And one got on. Alright.
Touchdown! Crazy inside!
Guinness and Sesame say. Yo. That's what I talk about. Man, no more what the girl them hard. We don't watch her then. Well, if a girl think she bad, turn up in front of man, well, man, death. She is ganja man, girl are the worst mistake you would have made. All of the gangsters, them run on there. Hey, girl think she bad, turn up in front of man when man charge. I don't remember nothing about massage. Hook up load me, just deal with it in my backyard. Ready to collect me reward. Girl I play big and all I run up her mouth. Come in on me house, but she come fish a coat. Should I see her face when me open me stove? All falls in start pop out.
Yo, man, I'm play. Enough girl I request me cause they fast man. Oh, me look so easy, girl, take it.
Oh, no, love reggae music. Oh, no, love it. Yo, you know what I'm saying? You see, in other world, yeah, the rich people, them, have we, the poor people, them, as them idiot. You think I joke? Everything them feel for do is because them have all of the money for pay for it and finance it. Them do it and don't give a damn what only think. Now you see how fast the world are advanced. You see how rapid the changes them are come. You see how you can't even keep up with your iPhone, but now them are come with the phone where say you can't think it in your mind. You think so that just make yesterday? Just because you hear it now, you think it just come in? You think the AI just come in? So why you just get it? Because the rich people them who control the system finally find a way how to manipulate and control it, to control Uno without Uno realize that Uno becomes a modern slave, a financial slave, a sexual slave, every kind of slave. I know what the next part of the thing, when them know so them conquer Uno, when them can make you admitting a yourself where you know, they make you say a day now when you know say a night. And if you not say a day, then you feel like a something else. They might tell you say a 5 different sex. When you know, you know. But you make them tell you say, oh, there's this.
Okay guys, so that was it. I was able to pull it off. 2 different countries, 1 day, 2 different celebration. Trinidad and Tobago versus Jamaica, and I was not disappointed. And again, for 2025, I'm going to give it to the Trinbago celebration. It was very inclusive. You could see representatives from all over the Caribbean there. The difference between it and the Jamaica Day celebration, the Jamaica Day celebration was more like a stage show. So it was more fit for like adults. It wasn't that kid friendly, and it wasn't as inclusive. It was all about 100% about Jamaica. So for those reasons, I'm going to give it to the Trinbago celebration again. Trinidad and Tobago, they pulled it off again. The organizers did very well. It was very organized, a very good event. And the Jamaica Day celebration, it was ended a bit short because Spragga Ben's performance, police came to lock off the sound system because they were saying that Spragga Ben's performance was laced with anti-LGBTQ sentiments. So the police came and they warned Spragga that if he continued, they're going to shut it off. So, that was it. Trinidad and Tobago versus Jamaica celebration. And I look forward to bringing it next year again and to cover more celebration from all around the Caribbean. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.